Alright, this is Albert's video. If you want to go ahead and strum along on the downbeat of every chord change, I think that would be very good for you for learning to play this song. So you know you're don't you take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, like etc. like that. Along with them, you will have to capo on the 2nd fret if you play along with that live John Denver video of that song, okay? You have to do that capo the 2nd fret. Now, for the bridge, which we worked on today, it's going to go 1, 2, here we go, E minor, D, to G. For C, to a G, to D, the 2 measures, 2, now E minor coming up, 2, 3, to F, to a C, to a G, to a D, do that. We've got that already on here. So one of the things that I know you probably would benefit you on this is if you go ahead in the bridge, you'll see the 2nd half of it on your chord chart, that it goes E minor to F to C to G. And each one of those is just a 1 measure change. So they're going to kind of come fast and furious. But you know, the first one, obviously E minor is easy. And then the next one's going to be F. And we talked about viewing this between our 3rd and our 2nd finger, what that shape looks like, and I called it a major 3rd interval. Sorry, that's a major 3rd interval, and that same interval, although on the 2 next lower strings, is on a C chord, and that same shape is on the next chord on a G. You still have that 3rd and 2nd finger. Now watch the G. You still have that 3rd, whoops, mirrored image, 3rd and 2nd finger on those 2 strings. So if you watch this, let's see how it goes. There's the F, and this finger, first one should kind of be barred across these 1st and 2nd strings. That's what you want to work for. And then you just change those 2 up to lower strings, and 1st finger goes on just the 2nd string at the 1st fret. And then for the G, these 2 fingers move down here to the 6th and 4th string, and we put our pinky down here on the 3rd fret. You see it, huh? Like that. But we still have this, this, and this. So we constantly see how these, whoops, these 3rd and 2nd fingers, that shape there is still here on these 2 strings, is still here on these 2 strings for the G, back again to the C, still there, that shape, and it's still here. So it's kind of like a diagonal shape, isn't it? And there we go, except for the G, this little finger kind of messing up, but these 2 are still at a little kind of a diagonal, and that 1 fret apart. The lower string is 1 fret above where the higher string is, and same thing on the C. The lower string is 1 fret ahead of where the higher string is. So, and then for F, it's again moving up 1 more string. Alright, so practice F to C to G, and then again F to C to G, And just practice that over and over again. F to C to G. And that's going to be after the E minor chord on your third stanza of your chord chart. Alright, there's an F for one measure, 4 beats, C for 4 beats or one measure, and a G for 4 beats or one measure. And that should do it. But practice hard.